have a delicious creamy shrimp dish that only takes about 10 minutes to make. Let me show you how I make it. On medium heat, add a generous amount of olive oil and about a teaspoon of garlic. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salted butter and just cook it till fragrant and melted. Now I'm adding a couple of handfuls of peas. This is optional. If there's something that you think is a good idea, let me know. Now add a half a cup of heavy cream. Now I'm adding 12 ounces of shrimp. Make sure it's defrosted and drained. Now add your salt and your pepper, and don't forget to add some nutmeg. It really adds a dimension that makes you keep going back for more that you really don't identify, but skipping it really makes a difference. You're almost done. We just got to add a few more things to make it extra delicious. I'm using about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and about 5 or 6 fresh basil leaves, but dried basil is great too. Doesn't that look beautiful and delicious? And it only took 10 minutes. This dish is very versatile. You could eat it over your favorite pasta. I like to eat it over rice. It reminds me of risotto, but I like it even more. This recipe is great for a busy weeknight or even a special occasion. My hubby loved it so much he had 3 bowls. I'd love to hear your ideas too. And thanks for watching. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.